Good evening, everyone. It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 CFMOTO ZFORCE 800. We've just installed the Super ATV rear window on here. Wanted to do a walk around and show you about how the window works and how it fits. Installation is quite simple on the machine. You do have a rubber seal that goes along this bottom portion, a couple strap clamps here and here. You're not going to lose any of your rear field of view on this machine with the Super ATV rear window. Very nice looking piece from Super ATV. We are a dealer for Super ATV. We do have this product in stock. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at Big Pine Sports for your OEM needs and to just simply place an order for a product like this or for other products for your CFMOTO. Check us out at our sister store, RuthlessMotorsports.com. More product info to come, and have a great night, everybody.